A very good morning to all the students of class 3rd. Dear student, today we will study the 13th chapter of social science named as Mumbai. So, dear student, we will study this chapter from the book Our Land, Our World. Very first, you should learn what are the learning objectives of the chapter. Dear student, in this chapter, you will learn about the city Mumbai. So, let's begin with the chapter. Dear student, as I am sharing my screen with you, this is the 13th chapter of social science. So, let's discuss. Dear student, this is the pictorial part of Indian map, and this is the Mumbai location. So, dear student, very big cities where millions of people live are called metropolis or metropolitan city. जहाँ बहुत सारे लोग रहते हैं, मिलियंस लोग रहते हैं, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? मेट्रोपोलिस और मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटी कहते हैं. मुंबई, Chennai, Kolkata and Delhi are the important metropolitan city of the country. कौन-कौन सी मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटी है हमारे देश में? मुंबई, जिसे पहले हम बॉम्बे के नाम से जानते थे. चेन्नई, जिसे पहले हम मद्रास के नाम से जानते थे. कोलकाता, जिसे पहले हम कलकत्ता के नाम से जानते थे. एंड दिल्ली. These are the important metropolitan city of the country. Dear student, this is very important question. Name the metropolitan cities of the country. So the answer is Mumbai, Chennai, Madras, and I am highlighting it, Kolkata and Delhi. These are the metropolitan city of the country. So let's move ahead. Mumbai is the first biggest city of India. People from different part of our country live here. Mumbai क्या है? Biggest city है India की. First biggest city of the India. Dear student, this is again very important question. Which is the first biggest city of India? So the answer is Mumbai is the first biggest city of India. Dear student, as you know, people from different parts of our country live here. The climate of Mumbai is neither too hot nor too cold. Dear student, again this is very important question. What is the weather of Mumbai? So answer is the weather of Mumbai is neither too hot nor too cold. It gets heavy rain during June, July and August. कब होती है यहाँ पे बहुत तेज से बारिश? जून, जुलाई एंड अगस्त के टाइम पे मुंबई में बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होती है. मुंबई इज द capital of the state Maharashtra. Dear student, this is very important and I am highlighting it. Mumbai is the capital of the state of Maharashtra. कहाँ की कैपिटल है मुंबई? स्टेट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. महाराष्ट्र की कैपिटल मुंबई है. द मदर टंग ऑफ महाराष्ट्रियन इज मराठी. सो व्हाट इज द लोकल लैंग्वेज ऑफ महाराष्ट्र? The local language of Maharashtra is Marathi. This is very important, which you should know. Therefore, a large number of people in Mumbai speak in Marathi. क्योंकि मुंबई की मदर टंग मराठी है, इसलिए वहां पर ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग कौन सी भाषा बोलते हैं? मराठी भाषा बोलते हैं. So, what is the local language of Mumbai? Marathi is the local language of Mumbai. Many people speak Hindi and Gujarati also. All the important offices of the state government are located in Mumbai. Dear student, as you know, कि किसी भी स्टेट की कैपिटल में उसके सारे क्या होते हैं, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के ऑफिसेस होते हैं. सो as in the capital of महाराष्ट्र, मुंबई में क्या है, सारे स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के ऑफिसेज हैं. सारे स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के जो भी स्टेट ऑफिसेज हैं वो कहाँ है, मुंबई में है. ये स्टूडेंट, एज आई एम अगेन हाईलाइटिंग इट, the city of Mumbai is situated on the west coast of India. This is again very important question. Where is the city of Mumbai is situated? So the answer is the city of Mumbai is situated on the west coast of India. It is cluster of 7 islands linked together. किससे linked है, 7 islands से linked है. It is the biggest seaport or harbor of India. Yes student, again this is very important question. Which is the biggest seaport or harbor of India? So answer is Mumbai is the biggest seaport or harbor of India. As you can see in my screen, I have highlighted it. In Mumbai is the biggest seaport or harbor port or harbor of India. Dear student, this is the pictorial part of Gateway of India. So let's discuss it. Mumbai is the best natural harbor of West Coast. The ship can come to the coast. A harbor is a place near the coast that is deep enough for ship to anchor safely. Ships loaded with many goods come to Mumbai. जिसमें बहुत सारा सामान लोड होता है, मुंबई आते हैं. They also carry goods to other countries from here. Passengers are also board and alight here. क्या होता है, शिप में बहुत सारा सामान इंडिया से बाहर और बाहर से अंदर लाया जाता है, और बहुत सारे पैसेंजर्स भी इसमें आते हैं और जाते हैं शिप के थ्रू. बिकॉज क्या है, मुंबई एक बहुत बड़ा नेचुरल हार्बर ऑफ द वेस्ट हार्बर है. सो इसलिए यहाँ पर बहुत ज्यादा शिप से एक्टिविटीज होती हैं, जिससे सामान अंदर और इंडिया के अंदर और इंडिया के बाहर ले जाया जाता है. Right on the sea near the harbor, see huge gate. It is called the Gateway of India. Right on the sea near the harbor, we see a huge gate. It is called Gateway of India. Many tourists come to see it. Dear student, as I am showing you, this is the pictorial part of Gateway of India, which is right on the sea near the harbor. We see a huge gate. Many tourists come to see it. So, dear student, there is an international airport at Santa Cruz. कहाँ? Santa Cruz में एक बहुत बड़ा international airport है. There is an international airport at Santa Cruz. So this is very important question. Where is the international airport in Mumbai? So the answer is there is an international airport at Santa Cruz. So people can fly to any part of India and world from here. Dear student, as I am highlighting it, Mumbai is called the business capital of India. Which is the business capital of India? Mumbai is the biggest business capital of India. It is big business and industrial center of India. यहाँ पर क्या होता है, बहुत बड़े बड़े बिजनेस होते हैं और इंडस्ट्रियल सेंटर है इंडिया का. इट हैज अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ कॉटन टेक्सटाइल मिल्स एंड हैंडलूम यूनिट्स. यहाँ पर क्या है, बहुत बड़ी मात्रा में कॉटन टेक्सटाइल की मिलें हैं, फैक्ट्रीज हैं और हैंडलूम यूनिट्स भी हैं. A large number of people work round the clock in these mills and units. तो डे और नाइट इन यूनिट्स में क्या है, लोग काम करते हैं. मेडिसिन, edible oils and chemicals are other major industry in the Mumbai. Dear student, crude oil is taken out of the bottom of the sea in Bombay High. तो क्रूड ऑयल कहाँ से मिलता है, सी के बीच में से उसको एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जाता है क्रूड ऑयल को. तो मुंबई में इसका सेंटर है बच्चों. दिस ऑयल इज रिफाइंड इनटू पेट्रोल, डीजल, लुब्रिकेंट्स एंड वैक्स. किसके लिए रिफाइन किया जाता है इसे, क्या बनता है इससे, पेट्रोल, डीजल, लुब्रिकेंट्स एंड वैक्स. This is the pictorial part of oil drilling platform. कैसे समुद्र से ऑयल को निकाला जाता है. Petrol is used to run cars, scooter and aeroplanes. क्यों पेट्रोल का यूज होता है, पेट्रोल का यूज कार, स्कूटर एंड एरोप्लेन्स को रन करने के लिए होता है. डीजल इज यूज टू रन बसेस, ट्रक एंड शिप. डीजल का यूज क्यों होता है, डीजल का यूज बस को, ट्रक को और शिप को रन करने के लिए होता है. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, लेट्स मूव अहेड. As I am removing it, okay, let's move. There is a Bhabha Atomic Research Center in Trombay. तो बच्चों, भाभा एटॉमिक सेंटर कहाँ है, ट्रॉम्बे में है. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन which you should know. Bhabha Atomic Research Center is in Trombay. The center works on peaceful use of atomic energy. भाभा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर में क्या होता है, the center work on peaceful uses of atomic energy. So this is the pictorial part of Bhabha Atomic Research Center, as you can see in my screen. Let's move ahead. Mumbai is the largest center of film industry. So which city is the largest center of film industry? So the answer is Mumbai is the largest center of film industry. Most of the Hindi movies, films are produced in Mumbai. So dear student, there are a number of studio for the shooting films. फिल्म शूट करने के लिए यहाँ पर बहुत सारे स्टूडियो हैं. दैट्स व्हाई मुंबई इज कॉल्ड द बॉलीवुड ऑफ इंडिया. ए स्टूडेंट, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. व्हिच सिटी इज कॉल्ड एज बॉलीवुड ऑफ इंडिया? सो द आंसर इज मुंबई इज कॉल्ड एज द बॉलीवुड ऑफ द इंडिया. लेट्स मूव अहेड. The people of Mumbai are fond of eating Shrikhand, Pav Bhaji and Bhel Puri. So, the people of Mumbai are very fond of eating Shrikhand, Pav Bhaji and Bhel Puri. Mango is available for 8 months in a year in Mumbai. तो साल में 8 महीने मुंबई में कौन सा फ्रूट रहता है, मैंगो रहता है. The mango of Mumbai is called Alfonso or the king of mangoes. The mango of Mumbai is called Alfonso or the king of mangoes. So this is very important question. The mango of Mumbai is called Alfonso, as I have highlighted it, or the king of mangoes. Dear student, as I'm removing it. People celebrate many festivals, but they celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi with great pomp and show. तो बच्चों कौन सा फेस्टिवल मुंबई में सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है? गणेश चतुर्थी इज द मेन फेस्टिवल ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. Which is the main festival of Maharashtra? So the answer is Ganesh Chaturthi is the main festival of Maharashtra. Dear student, the buses and electric trains run in Mumbai Road round the clock. There are many sights worth seen in Mumbai. Beautiful places along the seashore are Gateway of India, Juhu Beach, Chapati, Marine Drive, and Nariman Point are the famous sightseeing in the Mumbai. Famous sightseeing are Gateway of India, Juhu Beach, Chapati, Marine Drive, and Nariman Point. Dear student, as these are the pictorial part of Marine Drive and Trimurti at the Elephant Caves. So, dear student, the arc of shining lights along the Marine Drive looks so beautiful that is called Necklace of the Mumbai. What is the Necklace of Mumbai? The arc of shining lights along Marine Drive looks so beautiful that is called the Necklace of Mumbai. From Gateway of India, tourists go to visit the Elephanta Caves by motorboat. कैसे जाते हैं Gateway of India से Elephanta Cave? Motorboat के थ्रू जाते हैं. Tourist वहाँ घूमते हैं. The caves have very beautiful stone carvings. और वहाँ पर क्या है? उस केव में क्या है? बहुत ही beautiful stones की carvings हैं. Visitors also like to see the Hanging Gardens, the zoo, the Prince of Wales Museum, Jahangiri Art Gallery, Taraporewala Aquarium, Siddhivinayak Mandir, Haji Ali Dargah, and Malabar Hills. So, these are also the famous points of Mumbai. These are Hanging Gardens, the zoo, the Prince of Wales Museum, Jahangiri Art Gallery, Taraporewala Aquarium, Siddhivinayak Mandir, Haji Ali Dargah, and Malabar Hills. So, these are the pictorial part of, this is the pictorial part of Siddhivinayak Mandir. This is the pictorial part of Jahangiri Art Gallery. This is the Taraporewala Aquarium, and this is the Haji Ali Dargah. So, dear student, this is all about the Mumbai. Dear student, we will discuss 14th chapter in our next class. Thank you.